Chaos Control! Hello everyone, my name is Jordan the Hedgehog and welcome back to Sonic Racing Cross Worlds! So last time we ended up doing 3 Grand Prix. It was a Boom Boom Grand Prix, Pumpkin Grand Prix, and Coral Grand Prix, I think it was? Yeah. As you may have noticed, there's a bit of a Hatsune Miku event that's gonna be happening in the next 2 days. And it's pretty much just, well, a festival for, like, you know, earning points for one of those, what's it called? Battle passes? Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what it's for. Anyways, we have Grand Prix we need to be racing in. So let's go. Ooh, Sage at level 6 or Rave? I want to go with Sage. I do also want to apologize for the previous parts. My audio was a little bit low. Hopefully it's picking up pretty well this time. Anyways, we have the Crystal Grand Prix we need to go for. First race course is going to be at Blizzard Valley. I think this is a new track. This doesn't look like any familiar track I've seen.
We are both creations of the Robotnik lineage. Would you consider us family?
I've put that part of my history behind me. I live for myself. You should do the same.
That's a good point. Shadow makes a very valid point there, Sage.
Go.
And I do also understand she is Eggman's creation, daughter, arguably. Oh, no, come on! I did not... No! What's... I did not press the PlayStation button. Why does that always happen?
Farewell.
Can you handle this?
Too slow.
Out of the way, everyone. Whoa!
Frenzy time!
Wait, is it Starlight? Is this Starlight Carnival? Yeah. From Sonic Colors. Ah! Ooh, we got level 4 drift boost. No, come on! Why is it? Uh-oh. Stick to that side.
They are defying the odds.
You say that like it's a surprise.
Not good.
Oh! Uh-oh.
All models predict defeat.
Grab the... Ah, dang it, I missed that. Sage got that, didn't she? Exactly how close is she?
As calculated.
How close was she? I need to see.
Never any doubt.
Okay, she was actually pretty close. I noticed Charmy. So is that Charmy in the back or is that actually Sage? I can't tell. Whew. Well, anyways, let's move on to the next race. Course?
A calculated loss.
Oh, yes, we're going to Radical Highway, the very first stage where that introduced us to playing as Shadow. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway. 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 Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway.
Unleash.
Oh, you can ride across the railings. I'm gonna have to remember that. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway.
Too slow.
Uh-oh.
Can you handle this?
So we're heading to Alaska. Who's in second and first? I'm about to catch up, though. Dang it. Move it, Sonic.
Final lap.
Disappear.
Uh-oh. Oh! My boosting combo. Metal Sonic is in first. That explains it. Where are you, Metal Sonic?
Too slow.
Oh wait, no! Sage is in first! Ah!
Finish! Of course.
Well, it looks like me and Sage are tied. Oh, so this is Chow Park. This is a cool stage. I like the looks of it. Quite fitting that they give it a Chow themed stage or racetrack, because we've always had like Chow Gardens in the past, but we haven't really seen a Chow Garden. A lot of Sonic fans really like the Chow Garden, though, and they've been waiting for some sort of return.
Unleash. Farewell.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Note to self, you can fall off.
Now's my chance.
Can you handle this?
Don't you worry, I'm catching up, so we'll see. Ah, Dragon Road, huh?
Farewell. Too slow.
There we go. Ah! Uh-oh.
Now's my chance.
Here we go, we got Monster Truck. Uh-oh. Ah, come on.
They are defying the odds.
Well, what did you expect? I've got quite the speed. Wait, hold on. I don't remember seeing this. Huh, so this must be what the final lap is like. That's a neat change.
Finish!
Whew.
Never any doubt.
Exactly. Whoa, Sage dropped to 6. Dang. I mean, she's still in second, but my goodness. I did not think she'd get 6. Up to the final lap. I mean, final race, which is the Grand Prix. We're gonna be racing across Blizzard Valley, then Radical Highway, and then lastly Chow Park.
Overclocking systems. Failure is not an option.
Let's hope you don't burn out before I do.
Now's my chance.
I'm right behind you, Sage. I'll take the right side. Here, Sage, catch.
Defying the odds.
Uh-oh, no, that was the worst time. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway. Vengeance is mine on Radical Highway.
Too slow.
You have been surpassed.
No, you have been, Sage. Uh-oh. Watch it there, gun robots. I'm wondering, can I... Oh, no. Dang it, I tried to get on the railing just then. Oh, well. I wanted to see if I could show off.
They are defying the odds.
Get back here, Vector. I'd like to say thank you to whoever hit him, but I don't really know.
Final lap!
All models predict defeat.
This is the ultimate.
Oh, nice. I got a shield. That'll come in handy. Back into the water we go. Oh. Ah. I guess I used the shield a little too early. I'll have to remember that.
Finish!
Nice.
Ultimate victory.
I have failed.
A nice and worthy victory against Sage.
A foregone conclusion.
Yeah, can I... Oh, there we go. I was like wondering. What was taking it? Let's see. Let's head on... I guess we'll head back to the main menu. I'm just trying to think. Is there any other... I don't think there is. Oh, choices. I was waiting for this moment. You know what? No. How could I ever give up the chance to humiliate Sonic?
Nice!
We're going to the Egg Grand Prix this time. Donpa Factory is going to be the first racetrack.
I didn't think you knew how to have fun. What's the occasion?
I relish any chance to surpass you. Prepare for a humiliating defeat.
Exactly. You're going to lose, Sonic.
Sloppy. You. Too slow.
Uh-oh. Oh no. I fell onto the grass. Should not have gone onto the grass. Check. Oh, hold on. I saw that. I'm gonna have to remember that shortcut.
Farewell.
Random track.
I'll set the pace.
What the heck? What is this track? Where the heck are we? Wait, is this Rail Canyon from Sonic Heroes? I think it is.
Denied. Sloppy.
Not bad. Not bad.
Thanks, Sonic, for being a worthy sport.
Final lap.
I'm gonna need to remember that shortcut I saw, if I can.
Denied.
Uh-oh, oh! Was this always here? Oh, there we go. Got the shortcut. Ah! Uh-oh.
Sloppy.
Someone's gonna pass me, I know it.
Too slow.
Finish.
Crossworld's Traveler.
I should have done better.
Where did Amy come from, exactly? Also, I've apparently raced across all the Crossworlds. I always thought Sonic was on my tail, but apparently not. Amy somehow got really far ahead.
That's just round one.
True. Very true. But the question is, can you keep up in round 2? Aqua Forest. I do not know this course. I do not know what Sonic game is from, so I'm assuming it's a new stage, specifically for this game. Oh no! I saw that boost. Like I was gonna miss that. I can see why it's called Aqua Road, because we're dealing with a lot of water here. Ow! That was completely unnecessary.
I'll set the pace.
Yeah, you do that, Sonic, and I'll take the lead.
Not bad, not bad.
Nice to see you caught up, Sonic. Grab those golden wings, those things will make your engine sing.
Final lap.
Maximum power.
Oh! Up we go! Whoa! Where did we go? Nice! All five red star wings! That's what I'm talking about. 500 meters left.
Finish.
That's what I'm talking about.
Never any doubt.
I knew Sonic would be right behind me. Oh, looks like he and Amy are tied right now. Oh, I just noticed that achievement. It's tricky. Now for the third track, the Eggman Expo. It looks like we're racing across what appears to be an Eggman battleship. Golden Temple, huh? So that's what this place is. What did I call it before? Golden Palace? Ah, dang it. I got a little too close to Sonic just then. Oh! Gotta watch those giant rolling boulders. Ah, thanks for the item, little Dark Chow.
Catch up yet.
Uh-oh. I will say the drifting in the water, not really my strong suit. Oh, I didn't realize I was still in the water. Wait, who's behind me?
Later.
Ah!
Sloppy.
I'm not gonna get first. I'll just have to take second then. Ah! No!
Finish!
How did I get fifth?
Embarrassing.
It's a tie between me and Sonic. But I'm gonna get first.
Time to get serious.
That makes two of us. First place will get 18 points.
Too slow.
Where are you, Sonic? Uh-oh. I got a target on my back. I need to wait. There we go. Now I got Sonic. Ah, he had a defensive item ready. You're not gonna block this one, though.
Not bad. Not bad.
You can try.
Not good.
Later.
Ah, there you are.
Final lap.
Unleash.
My turn.
Maximum power.
I'll catch up yet.
Attack.
Catch this. Oh, come on. Every single time that happens.
Disappear.
Finish.
Nice. New
Never any
horizons.
doubt.
Unlock the secret Grand Prix. Ooh. 53 points. We got that secret Grand Prix ready to tackle after this.
Oh well, next time.
That depends if there'll ever be a next time, Sonic.
Now you understand I am peak perfection.
Another gadget slot unlocked. Excellent. I'm going to equip me a new gadget. Congratulations, you won every Grand Prix. Oh,
Excellent choice.
wait, so is that actually it? But we still have the secret Grand Prix to race across. Anyways, yeah. I will say, I'm really enjoying this. But there's just one thing I'm very disappointed in. There's no... Oh, nice. The future or the past, no stopping anyone. No stopping anyone. Grab those golden wings, those things will make your engine sing better than everyone. Better than everyone. Here we go, time to flow, here we go, blast like whoa. Here we go, out of control. Yeah, so as I was about to say, there's no story mode compared to like in Team Sonic Racing for PS4. It's Sonic Racing, all around the world, better than ever. Make the tires burn, gold wings are treasure. They must have returned to trailblazing. It's Sonic Racing.
Excellently.
I'm just gonna let the rest of you, let you all enjoy listening to this. So, I mean, I normally would say that this is where I would call it and all and whatnot, but I'll just say this for now. It is always nice to like make sure to drop a comment, leave a subscribe. What am I saying? I'm getting it all confused. Also, like the videos.
Looking good. Textbook example. Hey, you did it! everyone.
You're so cool! よりもでかいな改札抜けたら待つ転売ヤ仕方をして数万人と気配一人前の大人になりたいなあの背中よりまだ小さいな一人じゃ何一つできないやでも数万人と気配20年前適当に書いた将来の夢は医者とかほざいた部活がそうやからバスケのプレイヤー本当にやりたかったら特殊メイクアップあとピリたられた肌の俺はほどいてずっと本音も隠してでもスクリーンの中のあれ抜き出しであればあるほど光ってる、そんな時あってこの音楽いびつなまんまむき出しのまま騙せ手声がして言葉のメスが切り開いた景色の手にタンされたフローがメディシン内なるモンスターを呼び覚まし俺にべしゃらせたのさ身の上話ネタにちょうどならんぐらいの貧乏さ知るかにやばも見ない意見や雨漏りの天井くらいは辛抱さ台所でネズミが死んでいた豊かさの意味はもう知っていたつつましく幸せなティーネイジャー人知れずしたためた便箋が溜まってく人生さもう夢は叶ってたラッパーになってた生きがいができただけで生き方だ鉛筆を握った現実を知ってた食えない間も胸だけ張っていた鬱憤を晴らした復讐みたいだったミスに傷つけむすりはかした夢になってた人権をしなくてた口座は潤って心が湧いた手に入れて離して身軽になった分でかく羽ばたいてはぐれた仲間の分いつでも抱いてこれるよ輝いてもうこんな年になったいつしか注射は隣になった彼女の名字が俺と同じになったガキのまま親父になった20年前頭に描いた理想の自分よりもでかいな改札抜けたら待つ転売ヤ仕方をして数万人と気配一人前の大人になりたいなあの背中よりまだ小さいな一人じゃ何一つできないやでも数万人と気配
Oh my.
Okay, well, I don't think we have time to tackle the secret Grand Prix just yet, so... What have we got here? Congratulations on conquering the Grand Prix! Impressive work! But you're not done yet! Ho ho ho! Secret Grand Prix is now unlocked. Courses you've yet to explore await you. Mirror Class has been unlocked as well. Enjoy a brand new racing experience in a world where everything is flipped around. Challenge your rivals and aim to become the ultimate racer. Supersonic awaits the champion.
I expect great things from you.
We better get, like, in another update, either Super Shadow or Super Silver to go along with Supersonic. What have we got here? By clearing all 7 main Grand Prix, the friendship section has been unlocked. Raise your friendship level with your favorite characters. As a reward for winning all 7 main Grand Prix tracks from the main courses, you can now appear... tracks from the main courses can now appear during the second lap of a race. Okay. But anyways, I feel like we won't be able to do the Secret Grand Prix right now. I feel like we'd be going a bit over recording, so we'll leave that for the next part, because it's not just the Grand Prix. There's also a race park that I've yet to check out. I want to know what that's all about, though. But anyways, with that all said and done, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next exciting episode of Sonic Racing Cross Worlds! Until then, take care. Chaos Control!